Hi folks, today we are going to take you through the coolest feature on PropSearch.com, that is the Compare Properties feature. Have you ever wondered how it would be to compare different properties on the same parameters, basically have an apple-to-apple comparison? That's what we've done at PropSearch. Check it out here. So first you need to go and click on Add. You need to log in to your account, Submit. So once you've logged in, you can start comparing the different projects. Type in the name of project which you want to compare. Add the second property. And then the last one. There you go. So here we are comparing three prominent properties in the Whitefield micro market. Now you have to click the compare button to launch the tool. So as you can see, the three properties are being compared across various parameters, which start from basic information like the name and the price, going down to very detailed information with respect to the width of the access road, the number of units in the phase, the density of the project, the pricing on radar carpet area basis, and the efficiency of the floor plans. You can also see data with respect to the floor to ceiling heights, the project development model, and the open areas which are being provided in all these projects. We have drilled down the information right down to how many square feet of clubhouse is available per unit of the project. This basically tells you whether your clubhouse will be crowded or not. Let's take, for example, the parameter of project density, which basically means the number of apartments per acre. So the lower the number, the better the project. So go ahead and start enjoying our compare tool.